Do you know English but stay silent in meeting? Does it happen with you? You listen carefully. You understand every word. You know what to say. But when you have to speak, you stay quiet. Your heart starts beating faster. Your mind goes blank. And the moment passes, if this sound familiar to you, you are not alone. There are a lot of people with whom this happened. Today, let me tell you in this video, very important, your problem is not English. Are you hearing me? Your problem is not English. Yes, you heard it right. It's not vocabulary. It is not grammar. So, what is your problem then? Your real problem is fear. You heard it right. Fear of making mistakes, fear of being judged, fear of sounding foolish, fear of being laughed at. And this fear silently controls you how you speak, or rather, it lowers your tone. Is it making sense to you? Then watch this video till the end. Let me explain you how this fear happens. Most professionals, they learn English in school or college, right? Where we learn English in our school and college, where you have studied all the grammar rules in school. You learn all grammar rules, memorize tenses, and you have written the exams. You got marks, rather very good marks. But you were never taught how to speak without fear. Instead, you were corrected again and again, right? You were corrected again and again. So your grammar is wrong, your sentence is incorrect, and you should say it by giving time to it. Slowly your mind learned this, that speaking English is risky. And today that belief is still alive. Does it happen with you? Then I am here to help you come out of this fear. Now, let me tell you what actually happens inside your mind. Your boss asks the question. You know the answer, but before you speak, your mind start translating. First from mother language to English, then your brain checks grammar, tenses, sentence structure, and in this words, the time moves on. And someone else speak in that time period. And you still stay silent again, right? Now, I have worked with hundreds of professionals, engineers, managers, doctors, and corporate people. Very intelligent people, people who solve complex problems, people who lead teams, people who help experts, but still they struggle while speaking and they hesitate while speaking. You know why they struggle? Not that they don't know English, they just want to be perfect. For example, when a child speaks, do they make perfect sentences? No, they make mistakes. They make errors, but then also they speak because they are fearless. Now they keep on repeating it. Now compare this with you. You know grammar, you know more vocabulary, but you speak less because adults fear judgment and the fear blocks fluency. Let me share a real example. One of my learners who was a senior manager, very confident in his technical skills, but you know what happens with him? That in meetings he would only speak one or two sentences. When I asked him why, he said, I know the answer, but I'm scared if my sentences will be wrong. I asked him a simple question. Do your colleagues understand you when you speak up? He said, yes, they understand me. Then I asked, why are you fearful? He said, I'm not sure. Because the real problem was never English. The real problem is only fear. Here is also another important truth. People don't judge your grammar at your workplace. They only judge your ideas, your clarity, and your confidence. Three things: ideas, clarity, and confidence. No one remembers whether you use present perfect or simple past. They only remember the way you were speaking, how you spoke, and how you put your ideas. So, from today onwards, I want you to change one thing. Stop focusing on being 100% correct. Start focusing on 100% clarity. Is my message clear? Ask this question to yourself. So, if the answer is yes, you are doing it well. So, I'm giving you one simple speaking rule. Simple English is equal to powerful English. So you don't need fancy words, you don't need long sentences. You only need clear ideas. Now, let me give you three practical mindset shift that will help you to speak better at workplace. Mindset shift 1. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes are normal. Even fluent speaker have made sometimes thousand mistakes. Sometimes even I tell you I do mistakes. Fluency is built on mistakes. I'm repeating it. Fluency is built on mistakes, not perfection. Now, mindset shift number 2. Stop translating from today onwards. Speak what comes naturally, even if the sentence is not 100% correct. Even if the sentence is simple, even if it is not perfect. Speaking slowly is better than being silent. Speaking slowly is better than being silent. Now, mindset shift number 3. Speak first, correct later. Your goal is communication, not examination. You're not giving any exam, you're only communicating. If you are a working professional and English fear is holding you back, remember your knowledge needs a voice. Your ideas matter, and your confidence will grow only when you start communicating. So, today, make a promise to yourself, speak one sentence more than yesterday. Don't go for perfect English. Start with confident English. If you want to learn how to speak confident English at work, how to stop overthinking about grammar, how to express your ideas clearly, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, because here we don't chase perfect English. We build confident speakers. I hope you will like my video and you get the information that you're really looking for. If you have any suggestions, please do share, and thank you so much for watching.